Why don't birds get electrocuted on power lines? Birds often perch on power lines without getting electrocuted due to the lack of a significant voltage difference across their bodies. When a bird sits on a single wire, its 2 feet are at the same electrical potential, preventing current from flowing through its body. For electrocution to occur, there would need to be a path for the current to travel through the bird to the ground, or another wire at a different voltage. As long as the bird doesn't bridge between wires of different voltages, or a wire and the ground, it remains safe. The design of power lines generally considers this to minimize accidental electrocution of wildlife.